Are you ready to take the leap from straight line, walking foot, or free motion quilting to ruler quilting? Well, whether it's on your domestic machine or you have a long arm, today's guest has a ruler for you. Today, we'll learn the ins and outs of quilting with rulers with Kellie KACZMAREK of the Silly Moon Quilting Company. Welcome to the Quilter on Fire podcast. So it sounds like you were leaning towards modern quilting more than any other type. So what's the favorite quilt that you've ever made?
Oh gosh. I actually have to say I really enjoyed this quilt that's behind me. This was one I just finished, and I liked it because it was simple, went together really quick, but it just kind of was perfect for ruler quilting to show off our two latest sets of rulers, and it was simple to do. I think the one of the first big quilts I did was a Tula Pink quilt, and it was just big 16-inch blocks with Tula fabric and then Tula All Stars. And then I used solid in there, and it just gave me a really great space to play with the rulers. So I'd say those are probably my two favorite.
Yeah, and I can see your ruler work right on the back of the quilt. So I'll probably put this little feature in the trailer video so people can see it. But I can actually see the beautiful quilting on there. So in the white square is that ruler work, and you've
Mhm.
used a bold thread to make it stand out.
Yeah, it is ruler work. It's very simple ruler work. It's all done with one ruler. That's our kite ruler, our newest one. And it's just using that ruler to do different shapes. I'm a big proponent of, if we make a ruler, it has to do more than one thing. I don't like a ruler to only do one thing. So where it does a perfect kite, it also does a whole bunch of other things as well. And that's what I wanted to showcase in this quilt, how you could take ruler work and use one ruler and get lots of really cool design ideas with it.
So your ruler names are so awesome, like Beanie, Charming, and Cheesy, like you already said. So how do you come up with the names?
We have a lot of fun with it. Sometimes we do a contest on
Okay.
Instagram or Facebook. Sometimes it's the shape, cheesy, of course, because it looks like cheese. And of course, we're Canadian, so you've got to spell it like cheesy.
Yeah.
Um, and jelly, we've got Jelly Witch. We named for a jelly roll because all of the parts of that ruler will help you quilt within a 2-inch strip. So a
Oh,
finished
okay.
piece is a jelly roll. Turkey was named Turkey because he came out at Thanksgiving and I thought he looked like a turkey. Rocket, I thought looked like a rocket, so we called it that. And we were originally going to go along the moon theme. There's only so many moon words you can come up with, so we figured we had to start branching out. Charming, of course, is charming because it's predominantly used in charm squares, where
Yeah.
the markings on it work perfectly. Um, yeah, I think that's some of the fun ones. Beanie, because we thought it looked like a bean.
SAS Boutique has stepped up to the challenge of dressing me in style for the podcast trailers. This terracotta colored linen dress with pockets is designed by Cosmos. It's so light and comfortable. It's like floating on a cloud. These beautiful earrings are also made by Corkhouse Designs, with shops in Summerland and Penticton. If you love what I'm wearing, you can pick up the phone and call SAS Boutique today, 250-494-1677. SAS Boutique, an excellent selection of contemporary and classic women's clothing. Did you like this trailer? Hit that subscribe button to get the new podcast trailer every week, and click on the link in the description below to listen to the full podcast.